Hello. So in this video I want to show you some of the issues I am running into in Windows 10 Insider's Preview version 10130. I hope I can show you the watermark on the desktop, but this version of Windows 10 on my Surface Pro is not really showing to be very stable, so here goes nothing. So the Action Center does seem to work, so I turn off tablet mode and I go to the desktop, and I hope this taskbar goes down, but I'm afraid it'll only stay up. Let me see if I can. What happens if I play with the auto hide? It's still there, so I'm sorry I can't show it. Let's go back to tablet mode. So the only thing I can show you what perhaps resembles a clue to as this version is that the back button is there in the taskbar. As you can see, when I went back to tablet mode and pressed the Windows key, the search pane automatically goes up and blocks the screen. So when I tap, it won't go away in tablet mode. I don't even have the type cover attached. And this is a bug that has been present ever since 10122 and doesn't go away and comes randomly, and is quite annoying in my opinion. I wish Microsoft would finally fix this issue, but it's been there for quite a while, even in this version apparently. But what I want to show you next is that Microsoft promised in this version that the access of title and app bars in ported Windows 8 applications would be possible through a swipe down gesture from the top edge of the screen, just like in Windows 8.1, where you could do it both in Windows 8.1 you do it from both the bottom or the top, but in this case Microsoft only offers from the top. I guess it has to do with the fact that Microsoft wanted to play around and make the taskbar stay up standard, which will have implications for navigational gestures. But here we go anyways. So there's a small trick. I want to try to get rid of the search pane, so that I can access apps so that I can get better access to the live tiles on the start screen. So I turn off tablet mode and then I press the soft key and then I go back to tablet mode, and now it's gone. It's a small trick. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, this is the issue. I'm running into the issue that the ported Windows 8 apps are buggy and unstable when it comes to snapping. So what do I consider Windows 8.1 apps? That are apps like Health and Fitness, Eat and Drink by Microsoft, MSN, and any other app really, even this Dutch news app has the same issue. And let's see, Netflix we can also try, is also an issue. So those I consider Windows 8.1 ported apps. At least that's what I noticed, that these apps have issues with snapping in tablet mode. Then to the native Windows 10 apps such as music and movies and film and TV. Sorry. Okay. Well, I've loaded a couple of apps. I go now to the task view, and first I want to show issue with the app bar navigation. So when I press health and fitness, there's usually an app bar at the top and also a small app bar at a title bar at the top and hidden, and an app bar at the bottom hidden. So what should happen is when I swipe down from the top with a flick gesture, I should get it. So now I'm doing it and I'm getting absolutely, see on the top, swiping down, nothing happens. Even when I do a long swipe that normally enables snapping, nothing happens. Just to show that's not just by accident just one app, I'll try the Netflix app. Similar, normally there should be a title bar appearing from the top, but nothing happens. And when I swipe all the way down to snap it, nothing happens. And then the third proof, let's go to this app. So it's a news atlas. Normally there should be a title bar coming from the bottom and a small function in the bottom right. So I do this and nothing happens. And when I go down, it won't snap. Now for the Windows 10 native apps. This is the Movies and TV app. So when I go down and go to the left, the app snaps and I get a task view on the right. And when I press another app, for example, this is the music app. When I do the film and TV app, no, I'm sorry. Where's the music app? It seems, oh, here it is, sorry. So I do this. Now I can have them side by side. So that's not a problem. And I can change the size accordingly. Okay. So now back to task view, and I'll open now the film and TV app and then snap it, and then just for demonstration purposes I'll open the Netflix app, and you see immediately that there's a render issue where the film and TV app is at 60% and the Netflix app is at 40%, and you can see the divider is flickering, which is also not normal. And then when I want to move it, nothing happens with the bar. Okay, now it even seems stuck. Okay, so now I'm in task view and all apps have crashed. So I start the music app again, and I'll start food and drink again. And as you can see, it won't snap, but when I go to task view, do music first and snap it, and then do food and drink, you see immediately that there is an issue with the rendering of the music cap, because this space is white from the music cap to the divider here, and this whole piece here, that is the food and drink cap, and you can see the title bar is of the divider is flickering, which is not a good sign. And then when I start changing it, nothing happens, and you see that both apps have crashed. I hope this helps to understand and see the issue. Thank you, bye bye.